So I'm going to send my documents for the visa. Si Lord na ang bahala, guys. I already sent. So saan nga ba ako pupunta? Yung masasabi ko lang is guys. So I just finished my workout. Now I'm going to buy pork. So I'm gonna make pork nilaga. Someone asked me in the comments if I had thyroid problems. Do I look like I have thyroid, guys? Mataba lang talaga ako, guys. Kasi matakaw ako sa food. But I'm trying to lose weight. I don't think my neck looks abnormal. Parang hindi naman, guys. Wala po akong thyroid problem. Mataba lang po. And baka double chin lang yung ano. So, dito ako bibili sa AOG. Ah! Takbo! Meron din ditong ano guys, coffee shop. Marami ng coffee shop ngayon. Alam niyo ba? Ayan oh. I'm here. Paliw ka ni kuya. I left the pork that I bought because I'm going to buy vegetables and I'm just walking to the nearest store. So I'm in a rough road, guys. Actually nice here kasi maraming puno pa. So parang fresh yung hangin. Nandun sa dulo yung bilihan, guys. Medyo malayo to sa amin. Guys, ang sarap ng buko juice. And then, kani? I think that's it. Ito yung tindahan, guys. Meron ding isda doon.
Wow! Hey, na 150 kayo. 150. Kanay mo.
Ba? Ba? Ay! No! Dirty. Agay. Oh no. Put it back there in table. Ay, ay. Hi guys, so it's the next day and today I'm going to finally send my documents. Yeah, I was so tired yesterday because I did workout, and I walked so far and back. So yeah, anyway, today is another day, so I thought I will just continue the video that I did yesterday. So I'm going to send my documents for the visa. OMG. Let's see how it's going to go. I am not gonna say which country, but you can guess, guys, which country I'm applying visa too. I mean, I'm detached to the outcome, really. It just, si Lord na ang bahala, guys. Basta, I did my best with the application. So, I'm going to put a concealer kasi ayaw talagang matanggal ng mga mark ng pimple. Naisipan ko nga, nalagyan ko na lang kaya ng kasi body macho. Para lang matanggal yung mga mark. So, tingnan nyo, nandyan pa rin siya. OMG. Ay, maglagay na lang ako dito sa under eye. Nowadays, I sleep so late at like 1 a.m. Parang wala naman akong iniisip. Hindi lang talaga ako makatulog. So, I feel like I should stop drinking coffee in the afternoon. So, kahapon pala, binigyan ako ng pinsan ko. Siya talaga yung, guys, parang supplier ko ng makeup. Because she is the one who is like really interested in makeup. It's like every weekend nandun siya sa Watson. So, yesterday, binigyan na naman niya ako ng mga makeup Churva Ek. Yun yung gagamitin ko ngayon, guys. I'm gonna put first. Tignan nyo, ang dry ng lips ko. I'm using BYS Jelly Bomb. Ayan. Oh my god, alas 12 na. Wala bang lunch break yung LBC? Magpapa-LBC kasi ako, guys. So, ito yung binigay niya sa akin. Tatlo yung niya, purpose. Sa lips, sa cheek, and sa sa eye. Nichido 3-in-1 stick for lips, cheeks, and eyes. Gives a perfect healthy glow. I-try ko to, guys, because I like the color. This is the color. Ayan. She also gave me this BLK na lipstick. Tapos to? Parang lipstick din to. Ayan. Ang dami niyang makeup, so hindi niya magamit lahat. So yung iba, binibigay niya sa akin. Oh, ito pa sa cheek din to, guys. Ayan. So ako naman, hindi naman ako mahilig sa makeup. So I don't really buy. And I don't really have to buy kasi nga binibigyan ako ng pinsan ko. So okay lang din sa akin na ganun. Kasi nga, why not, diba? For free. So I'm gonna apply it like this. Ay, di siya muagi. Ay, ganun. Ganyan. Tapos dito sa mata mamaya na lang. Paano to? Ganyan. Kasi mas gusto ko yung isa kasi madali siyang ma-spread. Pero this is a nice color. So, maganda siya. Maganda yung pagka-blend, no? I like it. I will put on my eye as well. Hindi umulan. So, ayan lang siguro yung makeup ko, guys. Diba? And I am ready to send my documents. Ayan, magpa-perfume pala ako. Na-miss kong mag-vlog ng ganito, guys. Kasi before nang nagsa-start pa lang ako, parang wala akong pake sa world. Yung focus ko kasi nun is just to, to create, to edit the video. But it came to a point where nung na-monetize na ako, guys, na parang nang yung nasa isip ko na I have to do better kasi para malaki yung kita ko, malaki yung revenue. And nowadays, matagal na talaga akong hindi nakasahod sa YouTube kasi nga, hindi naman ako nagko-content kasi I was just, healing in silence. And I think it's very helpful for me to detach from, everything. Most of the time talaga, gusto kong pinaprocess yung feelings ko na wala akong naabala na iba. So anyway, I'm gonna put perfume. Ito yung bili namin sa India. So, matagal na to siya, guys. 2023. Ayan, meron pa siyang laman, katunga pa lang. Kasi to siya mabango to siya ba? Like, kahit dalawang ganyan lang yung mo, guys. Dalawang spray lang. Parang whole day na siya maglalas. So, hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. So, saan nga ba ako pupunta, guys? Basta, I will share with you kung meron ng visa. Wag muna ngayon kasi I don't want to be too excited. Pero excited ako, guys. Hopefully makuha, diba? Kasi sayang yung gastos. Yung masasabi ko lang is we're going, hopefully, kung matuloy, we're going in the fall or autumn. So, yun talaga yung hindi ko pa na witness, guys. Kasi back in India, na-witness ko na yung winter, yung may snow, yung may snowfall. So, yung gusto ko naman ma-experience is yung autumn, yung parang orange, yung mga paligid, ganyan. So, ayun, excited ako, guys. Namimili na ako sa Shopee ng OOTD. Pero, syempre, hindi ko pa sila i-check out until makuha ko yung visa ko, guys. Yung, alam niyo yung excited ako mag apple picking. Kasi maraming apples during the autumn. Yun yung harvest season. Yun yung excited ako guys. Tapos sa food din. Anyway, alis na ako guys kasi malilate na ako. So, yeah, wish me luck. Ang tagal ko nang di nakaka-travel. More than 1 year na guys. So, ayun, ang haba na pala ng video na to. See you guys. Alis na ako. Bye! So, I already sent it, guys. Medyo nagkamali sila sa name ko, but I think it's fine. So, now I'm going to the cafe. Meron na namang bagong coffee shop, guys. I will try that next time. I'm just going to withdraw money and then I'm going home na. Because I have to work again. So, yun lang for today's solo day. Usa lang ka kilo, kuya? Guys, I'm near home and look at my neighbor's plants. Ayan o. Ito yung meron pa siyang kamatis. Meron siyang kamatis. Meron ng mga bulaklak. Tapos, meron palaya guys. Perfect, oh. Ah! Tough. Ah! Bon.